this is Daniel with SimplyStamps.com. When your stamp's running low on ink, you have two options. You can use refill ink or you can replace the stamp pad itself. Today we're going to demonstrate how to do both of those things. First we'll do the refill ink. Flip your stamp over and put it in the locking position. Grab the two tabs on the stamp pad and remove the pad itself. You grab your bottle of ink and put about 3 to 4 drops across the pad and let that soak in for a few seconds. When the ink has soaked into the pad and doesn't have any more pools, you can insert it back into the stamp itself and push the stamp down and unlock it, and you've successfully re-inked your stamp. The second option is to buy a totally new replacement pad, and in that case you'll follow the same procedures. You'll push the stamp down and lock it. You'll remove the stamp pad. You'll take your new stamp pad and remove the cover. You'll take the new pad itself and insert it into the stamp. You'll depress it and unlock it. And you've got a brand new stamp. To purchase these accessories or for any support related questions, visit SimplyStamps.com.